Hi guys, so here are 6 apps that you can use to make money free of charge. You do not need to spend a dime, but you can use these apps to make money. I mean good money. I know some of you want to make extra income for Christmas, to have that dirty December, and to have fun with loved ones this Xmas. So I'm going to be showing you 5 apps that you can use to make extra income free of charge at no cost. Number 1 is Canva. Now, we all know that Canva is an amazing platform, and we are in an era where digital products is booming. People are making thousands of dollars in passive income just by selling digital products. And you wonder and ask yourself, how are they making this happen? That is because they create these digital products on Canva and then sell them on social media. So with Canva, there are so many free digital products, ideas, and templates that you can use to create your own products at no cost and start selling it on social media or on platforms like Stan Store and Etsy. Number 2 is Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is so underrated. I know people look at it as a platform where you sell used items, but I know so many people that started out as resellers to resell old items that they were not using anymore and turned it to a full-fledged business because they saw the potential and the demand, of products from customers. So you could sell anything ranging from household equipment to fashion wares, and you can make good money on Facebook Marketplace. Number 3 is Upwork. Now, I've said so many times that you can make a lot of money just by selling your skills and your services online by being a freelancer or a virtual assistant. Upwork is the place for you to find clients and individuals, small companies or medium-sized companies that are willing to pay you to offer them your services. For example, if you're a graphic designer or a website developer, you want to go to Upwork and set up a profile talking about what you are, what makes you special, and how you can improve a company's business or how you can add value to them. Able to tell the customer that you understand their pain points and you can offer your service to make their business flourish, and then you're going to make a lot of money just by selling your business, just by selling your services to these companies. Now, number 4 on my list is Etsy. Now, I said earlier about Canva and digital products. Now, Etsy is the it girl, chef's kiss for everything digital products. If you want to create digital products, you need ideas, go on Etsy and you'll see ideas from planners to templates, every single thing, and then use what you've seen to create your own digital products and then go back to Etsy and list it there. Now, the amazing part about Etsy is you do not need a lot of marketing. As long as you create a good SEO and title for your digital products, people that come on the website or on that platform will find you seamlessly. Now, finally on my list is social media. We have Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. These are platforms that pay you, creators like you and me, just for posting. Now, the amazing part is you can earn money in so many ways from social media, through affiliate marketing, through selling a product or a service, and more so, even from the apps itself. When they pay you, you're able to make money. So what I always say is look for a problem that you can solve, a product that you can sell, a service that you can render, and sell it to the billions of people that come to this app every single day, and that way you can start raking in money. Number 6 on my list is YouTube Studio. Yes, YouTube Studio is the amazing part. In fact, it's supposed to be number 1, but I saved the best for last. YouTube pays money, not just money. Passive income, not just passive income, but passive residual income. What this means is you're gonna get paid for the rest of your life. As long as people keep visiting your channel, watching your videos, you're gonna get paid by YouTube. I don't think there's any better platform or any better residual income than this. Nothing gets better than YouTube. All you need to do is use your mobile phone, create content about topics and industry you're knowledgeable about, and start posting. Start building your channel, start gaining more subscribers, increase your channel views, and then you're well on your way to getting monetized. So I'd like to know, guys, which of these 6 apps would you be using to make extra income before the end of the year or in 2024?